Hello guys, you are watching Kunch, and in this video we're going to talk about how to create a mega menu in your WordPress website using Elementor Pro. And to use mega menu, there are a couple of plugins that you can use. I am using Elements Kit. Elements Kit is a free plugin that allows you to add a mega menu to your normal menu. So let me show you how you can just get Elements Kit. I am using Pro version, but interestingly, free version also allows you to create mega menu. So you can just get it from repository itself. Just search Elements Kit, and here you can find this plugin, and you can just head over to Elements Kit library, this dashboard after installing, and you can find the modules and you can enable mega menu. So mega menu uh, comes in free version as well, so you can enable it. Once enabled, you can create a mega menu, but before we enable this, you also make sure that you enable header and footer builder as well. So these two options have to be enabled in order to create the mega menu with Elements Kit. So when enabled, let's get back to header and footer. Here it is, and now we can create our header. Just write header title. I will write mega header, type header, and condition on the entire site, activation, yeah. Save changes and edit with Elementor. Just add it and click on this gray button that asks you to edit the header with Elementor. Boom, we have just opened up this one. So in Elements Kit, you also get to see this small button which gives you some library. Here are a bunch of header options that you can import right away. Just click on headers and come over this mega menu content. Right, this is for mega menu actually, but for the header you can just go with any of these options, so it will save you some time. So we can quickly use any of these. To preview, just click on it, and if it looks good to you, you can just click on insert. Here we have inserted our header, but there is nothing selected, so let's just choose any image out of it, possibly this one, and in menu choose any menu. So here it is. Right, I have already enabled mega menu, so it is showing me this menu. But if you don't see, let me show you how you can enable. Just go to your dashboard, click on appearance, and then menus. Choose any menu from here you want turn into mega menu. I have chosen menu 1 and selected it. Make sure you enable this toggle that asks enable this menu for mega menu content. So if you enable this, then only you can find this mega menu button. Right, if you disable it, this will be gone. So make sure you enable this, then click on mega menu. Right, and here you need to toggle this mega menu enabled, and then edit mega menu content. When you click on this, a pop-up will open with Elementor editor, where you can add your mega menu. Here is the mega menu already, because I had created it. So let me delete all the content from here. Here you can just go to your templates library, and like before, you can go to your mega menu content and choose any of the content. I have chosen this one, as you could see. So let's go with any of these, possibly this one, and let us click on insert, and boom, it's all here. It's asking me to add some content in advanced tab. We can go with any other one. this one also looks good, but it will need more and more content to your website, so you can choose someone that doesn't require much of the content, so it looks good. It already gives me a lot of content, so let's insert this. Yeah, boom, it's all there. So make sure you have chosen this full width option and stretch section so as to see content in a very proper manner. And now you can just click on this and save it, and then close this button and save the menu. And when you go to website, you can see that we have this nice mega menu right here. We didn't have contact form 7, so it is just reverting the shortcode cells. You can possibly import any Elementor form as well right here just by re-editing that mega menu, so it looks very good, right? I also have mega menu about. Or you can just edit this icon bar. So just get back to your menu, and here what you need to do is just click on any of these, click on icon. Here you can choose your icon. Here on model we have this icon, right? So you can choose any of these, and you can choose icon color. We have this color, as you can see, right? So that's why it's not visible much. You can choose black color. You can also choose a badge for this. We have new. You can possibly use feature, and you can choose a background. You can make it red and then save. So we have icon as well and a badge too. In setting you can keep it full width and relative to the mega menu position, and then click save. Close this and save it, and then when you reload you can find your changes as you made it. So there's feature and there's icon that's changed, and here's your mega menu. So all the content you can change directly by just editing this mega menu content. So it's very simple to do. It's fast, easy to deploy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you can easily make mega menu right now away on your website. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. I make videos daily, so make sure you also hit the bell icon to get update on our videos. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.
Fire.